Kastrup Airport in Copenhagen, parking cars updated by ThyssenKrupp because there is generic fixtures. But in 1991 it's 13589 or it can't be 8, but no. There are still Kone doors, nice. Since there's at ground floor, just wonder bumpers. Inspected by inspector and then by Kone. 60%, 1,250 kilograms roughly. Those are the best part of this elevator. M-series doors. Then 1981 13590 third floor. 16%, 1,250 kilograms. Inspected by inspectors, maintained by Kone. Or not Kone, but CP 8 so aren't so. That's